Hello and welcome to Microwave Me. Merry Christmas, everyone. I've got a really cool and unique Christmas special that's unlike anything I've ever done before or you've ever seen before, so it should be a lot of fun. For this year's Christmas special, I'm going to be microwaving a bunch of Christmas lights. I know what you're thinking, but Captain Microwave, you already did that 2 years ago. But I'm not only going to be doing it in Big Jareth, the Kenmore BEAST of a microwave, but also the new microwave, Elsa, named after the snow princess from that Disney movie Frozen. And I'm going to be doing it in both microwaves at once. So I'm going to put these like so to the top microwave, and then to the bottom microwave we'll go all the way. So let's get microwaving. Oh, that was definitely unexpected. I might have to permanently retire Jareth. Wow, I'm gonna need another microwave, microwave. Anyways, there's those Christmas lights, and these ones are a little more well done. As you can tell, they lit up beautifully, and they made quite a bit of smoke. So I'm going to have to say that this was a really cool Christmas special, but you do not want to microwave Christmas lights at home because though it's pretty cool for a while, if you're crazy enough to do it, only do it for like 10, 15, no more than 20 seconds. So I'm going to have to say microwaving Christmas lights isn't really the safest thing to do, and I don't recommend doing it, although it is visually very cool. So I'm going to have to say this is unsafe, and wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year,